Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make room partition with a bar chair anyway. Okay, first of all we have to make a rectangle with the rotated rectangle, and then we can adjust the size and length for the room partition, which is bar table anyway. Then we can set the length around 2000 millimeter, and for the width around 500 millimeter. Then we can set the width, we can set the thickness of this bar table with around 50 millimeter. Then we can just make it group, and after that we can move and select the distance around 1000 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make a support in this side and with a rectangle, and then we can push it down until it touches the floor anyway. Then we can just make it group. Then we can just make a cover of the bottom table with a rectangle and push and just make group anyway. Then we can just move to the center of the support. Okay, and then we can make a rectangle again right here. We can just make a rectangle. We can set the rectangle as long as the width of the table and the depth around 400 millimeter, and then we can just with a push pull, and we can push it up around 1800 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just offset it inside around 20 millimeter only to make a shelf, and then we can just push it to the back around 350 millimeter, and then we can just make it group. Okay, and after that we can just make rectangle again in above of the cabinet, and then we can just set the length as the table over there, and then we can just push it up as thick as we want anyway. Okay, and then we can just make a shelf with a rectangle also in this area. We can just make a shelf, and we can just push it up around 20 millimeter only. Just make it group and make it component, and it's just create it. And after that we have to move and select control and just position on it, and we can type forward slash and enter, so it will be automatic arrangement of it. Then we can erase some unnecessary object anyway. Then and after that we can make some accessories such as hanging lamp over there, just a simple hanging lamp anyway. We can set the rope with a cylinder anyway. We can set the hanging lamp right here. Then we can set the cover of hanging lamp. It's just simple hanging lamp. It's just simple hanging lamp, but because it just to represent the atmosphere of this room partition, which is this is bar table anyway. Okay, we can use a cylinder and just offset it inside right here, make it group, and we can just maybe we can set it. Okay, we can make it group also, and then we can move and duplicate it. Okay, something like this, and after that we can just make a material of it. We can set this to be material, then we can set another material on position as we want anyway. We can just rotate the material, you can just make unique texture, then you can just rotate this texture to vertically rotation. We can just assign to another material anyway. Then we can set the color as we want. Again, we can set the lamp color. We can set the lamp color with the material. Then we can set the position of the stall, per stall anyway. Right here and right here. You can just select move to adjust it. Then we can set the ceiling right here to make it more representative enough with a rectangle, and push Alt up and make group. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope you learn a lot from this video and wait for my next video. Thank you.